At the Institute of Structures and Design in Stuttgart, we operate dedicated hot press systems to investigate the manufacturing of fibre-reinforced thermoplastic structures. Hot pressing enables fast forming and consolidation of complex components. We combine process development with digital tools to ensure reliable and efficient manufacturing under real production conditions. The Dieffenbacher HPO 400 delivers 4,000 kilonewtons on a 1.2 meter bed. Electrically heated plates and high-pressure water cooling enable heating and cooling rates of 10 Kelvin per minute and a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Celsius. Integrated infrared heating and pyrometer feedback ensure precise material transfer in under 4 seconds. The RUCKS KV 330 provides 500 kilonewtons for high-precision process validation. Using infrared technology and 4-second closing cycles, various mold designs can be simulated. This allows for precise fine-tuning of parameters before scaling up to the large-scale Dieffenbacher press. In this way, a direct link between research and industrial application is created, enabling new process developments to be transferred into industrial practice.